Majlis dengan sukacitanya ya ingin menjemput Profesor Dr. Abdul Aziz Al-Safi bin Ismail untuk sharing dengan kita apa perasaan beliau ya. Tepukan kepada
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And very good morning to everybody. How you all? How are you all? Tak cukup kuat. Apa khabar semua?
luar biasa baik.
Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank the company, Mr. Greg, and all the rest, my introducer and my upline for giving me a chance to have this opportunity. So I would like to share with you why I joined and who am I. Actually, I'm Professor Dr. Aziz. Currently, I'm a consultant in diabetes in one of the teaching hospital in Kota Baru. I have 30 years of experience in medical field, in training a medical student to become a doctor and training doctor to become specialist. And at this level, why I joined in this company. The reason why I joined this company, because one day, this great man, Mr. Desmond Kong, he came to my, by the way, besides having a teaching in the hospital, I also have my own practice in Kota Baru. So Mr. Desmond came to my room, and first thing I noticed that he wear something with eagle logo there. So deep in my heart, I said, somebody with eagle must be a great thing will happen into my life. Why? Because I know eagle definitely will get their target. Because of all the animal, eagle can achieve 99.9% of the target.
Yes.
Yes.
So, and then he made a presentation, everything. Deep in my heart, I said, this is the product, then we can have millions of people. And fair enough, probably I want to share with you in this session, I have one patient who been diagnosed as a skin cancer. Seorang pesakit yang mengidap bara kulit sudah 5 tahun. 5 years of having this cancer, confirmed in the hospital, and I've been treating her for the last 5 years, but no response. So I think this is the last chance that I'm going to help her. Then after 3 days, because every day I need to give her injection because of the pain or those things. So after 3 days, she's free from pain. First time in the 5 years, free of pain at night. Otherwise, I need to go to her house almost every night to give injection. And when the come it's so severe that she have to crawl in the house. So after 3 days having this, using aloe vera gel and RTC, then completely, and then until now, she's free of pain. So I said,
Hebat.
Thank
so
you.
I said, if this product can help people like her, so definitely it will improve other people. So thank you very much, Mr. Greg and Forever Living, for giving a chance, not only for the wealth of people, but also for the health of the human being and all mankind. Thank you very much again.
Thank you, Mr.
Terima
Aziz.
kasih.
Thank you very much.
Profesor Doktor ya, terima kasih banyak-banyak.
Give me one more
Okay,
second.
boleh.
This is regarding the next level. So once I sign up for this one, within 2 days, I finish the VIP package. 2 days finish. And then the rest is history. Then I achieved the level of manager. I joined on the 4th of April, and I achieved manager at the end of May this year.
Woo!
So the next level, definitely I'm going for chairman bonus. So again, thank you very much, Mr. Greg, and thank you very much, my sponsor, Mr. Zul or Aban Zul, and the rest. The person that I must thank here is known as Eliza and Kamal from Kuantan. And definitely, both of them, they are the one who transformed my life from a pessimistic life of the lecturer to I really thrilled with the current situation. Again, thank you very much.
Thank you,
very
Mr.
much.
Aziz, for your wondrous sharing.
Wow, nampak tu? Sampai shock kan Profesor kan bersharing dengan kita sampai mic dia pun dia tak nak lepas pada saya dah. Itu kehebatan forever ya. Terima kasih kepada semua.
Thank you very much.